Two numbers are in the ratio 7 to 8. If 3 be added to each of them, the ratio becomes 8 to 9. The numbers are. Using the given information, we have to find the two numbers. Now let's consider the ratio over here. From the terms of the ratio, if I want to get the two numbers, I have to multiply both the terms by the same non-zero number, say x. Then we have 7x and 8x. So these are the required two numbers. Now my aim is to get the value of x. Once I get the value of x, it can be multiplied by 7 and 8 to get the required two numbers. Okay, now let's consider this information. That is 3 has to be added to each of these two numbers. When I add 3 to the first number, I am getting 7x positive 3. And when I add 3 to the second one, I am getting 8x positive 3. Okay, here we have added 3 to each of the two numbers. So the ratio of these two quantities equals to 8 to 9. Let me do it. So this is equal to 8 to 9. Now we have to solve for x in this equation. Let me write this ratio as a fraction. Then we have 7x positive 3 over 8x positive 3. On the right side we get 8 over 9. Now let's do cross multiplication. Then we have 9 times 7x positive 3 equals to 8 times 8x positive 3. We can distribute this 9 to the 7x and positive 3. Then we get 63x positive 27. Let's distribute this 8 to this 8x and positive 3. Then we get 64x positive 24. Okay, now let me subtract 63x from both sides of this equation and also subtract 24 from both sides. Here this positive 24, negative 24 will cancel out. Positive 63x, negative 63x will cancel out. The simplification of this one is 3. Here the simplification of this one is x. Here I got the value of x. Now we can plug in 3 for x over here and here. When I plug in x equals to 3 over here, 7 times 3 is 21. And here 8 times 3 is 24. So the two numbers are 21 and 24. I find 21 and 24 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.